I ordered this video doorbell camera when I received it today. This is what came in the box. The manual, the strip tape, the screws, the doorbell chime, and the doorbell cam. The problem that I'm having is that I can't figure out how this works. Is it something missing? I can't figure out how to get it off, to check the batteries, to see if the batteries were in here or what. And again, this is what the box looks like. The manual comes with it. It doesn't say, I went through the manual, and it does not tell me how to remove the back of the doorbell video cam. This is the sticker, and this is the chime that I plug in the wall. I've got that figured out. That was easy, no problem. But I'm having a problem with the back. And I was wondering if somebody can tell me, how do I do this? How do I get this off? What is missing? Is there something missing? Your response will be greatly appreciated, and thank you. Merry Christmas, and God bless you. Bye-bye.